I'm Gabriella Agostinelli of Berardi Immigration Law, and today we'll be discussing citizenship. There are many benefits to becoming a U.S. citizen, beyond one's ability to vote in our elections. First, U.S. citizens can spend as little or as much time in the United States per year as they'd like, unlike green card holders who must spend at least 6 months per year in the United States. Now, you can spend as little or as much time in the United States per year as you'd like. Becoming a U.S. citizen will also allow you to sponsor your relatives in much shorter periods of time for them to become U.S. green card holders. U.S. citizens are generally beholden to fewer tax burdens than green card holders are. U.S. citizens also cannot be deported. Also, when becoming a U.S. citizen, your children may automatically acquire citizenship if they're under the age of 18. And speaking of children, when you become a U.S. citizen, you will have access to much more financial aid packages for your children's schooling. There are many paths to citizenship. One of the most popular is naturalization. There are 4 main steps to naturalization. First, file Form N-400 with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service, or USCIS. Once the government receives this application, they will then schedule you for a biometrics appointment at your local USCIS office. At this appointment, they will capture your fingerprints, your signature, and your picture to further process the application. Following your biometrics appointment, the government will schedule you to attend an appointment at the local USCIS office where you will be tested on English and civics. Should you pass these tests, the government will then schedule you for your naturalization ceremony. And at this ceremony, you will take an oath of citizenship and you will obtain a certificate of naturalization. You can naturalize or become a U.S. citizen within 5 years of becoming a green card holder. But if you obtained your green card status by marrying a U.S. citizen, you can actually become eligible to apply for citizenship within 3 years of becoming a green card holder. If you were born abroad to a U.S. citizen or 2 U.S. citizen parents, you may also be eligible for U.S. citizenship, called derivative citizenship. They are eligible only if the parent or parents of U.S. citizenship spent sufficient time in the United States physically prior to the child's birth. If eligible, the individual can acquire citizenship through application for a U.S. passport, or if under the age of 18, they may also obtain a secondary proof of citizenship called a consular report of birth abroad from the U.S. Department of State. Berardi Immigration Law regularly prepares citizenship applications for both green card holders and for individuals who are born abroad to U.S. citizen parents. We'd be happy to assist you. Please call us today.